The Triangle Shirtwaist Factory fire in the Greenwich Village neighborhood of Manhattan, New York City, on March 25, 1911, was the deadliest industrial disaster in the history of the city and one of the deadliest in U.S. history. The fire caused the deaths of 146 garment workers, 123 women and girls and 23 men, who died from the fire, smoke inhalation, or falling jumping to their deaths. Most of the victims were recent Italian and Jewish immigrant women and girls aged 14 to 23. Of the victims whose ages are known, the oldest victim was 43-year-old Providenza Panno, and the youngest were 14-year-olds Kate Leone and Rosaria Sara, Maltese. The factory was located on the 8th, 9th, and 10th floors of the Ash Building at 2329 Washington Place, near Washington Square Park. The 1901 building still stands today and is now known as the Brown Building. It is part of and owned by New York University. Because the doors to the stairwells and exits were locked, many of the workers could not escape from the burning building and jumped from the high windows. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.